Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 6th chapter of Indian Economic Development of class 12, and the name of chapter is Rural Development. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is non-farm areas of employment. So in rural area, what other occupation a person can perform to carry on its life? Basically, there are 5 area: animal husbandry, dairy, fisheries, horticultures, and information technology. So let's begin with first, that is animal husbandry. Animal husbandry or livestock farming is that branch of agriculture which is concerned with breeding, rearing, and caring for farm animals. India owns one of the largest livestock population in the entire world. Livestock provide alternate livelihood option to over 70 million small and marginal farmers, including landless laborers also. Moving to dairy. Dairy is that branch of agriculture which involves breeding, raising, and utilization of dairy animals for the production of milk and various dairy product processed from it. Operation Flood, which is popularly known as White Revolution, was started by National Dairy Development Board in 1970 under the expert guidance of then Chairman Dr. Verghese Kurien. The objective of this program was to create nationwide a milk grid. Then comes fisheries. Fishery refers to the occupation devoted to the catching, processing, or selling of fish and other aquatic animals. Fisheries sector plays an important role in the socio-economic development of the country. In India, after progressive increase in budgetary allocation and introduction of new technologies in fishery and aquaculture, the development of fisheries has came a long way. Women participation in fishing. Even though women are not involved in active fishing, still 60% of workforce in export marketing and 40% in internal marketing are women. Then comes horticulture. Now, what is horticulture? Horticulture refers to the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, tuber crops, flower, medicinal and aromatic plants, spices, and plantation crops. These crops plays a vital role in providing food and nutrition, besides addressing employment concern. India has adopted horticulture as it is blessed with a very climate and soil conditions. Some important points regarding horticulture: Golden Revolution period, basically 91 to 2003 is known as Golden Revolution because during this period the plant investment in horticulture became highly productive. Improvement in economic conditions, great scope for women employment, share in the world production. Now the last topic is information technology. Information technology refers to that branch of engineering that deals with the use of computers and telecommunication to retrieve and store and transmit information. IT has revolutionized many sectors in the Indian economy. There is broad agreement that it will play a critical role in achieving sustainable development and food security in the 21st century. Now, what are the important points to support IT? It is also a positive impact on agriculture sector as it circulates information regarding emerging technologies and its application, price, weather, and soil condition for growing different types of crops. It acts as a tool for releasing that creative potential and knowledge embedded in our people. It also has potential of employment generation in rural areas. The aim for increasing the role of IT is to make every village a knowledgeable center where it provides a sustainable option of employment and the livelihoods. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.